Hello everyone, welcome to Masterclass. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add a smile in Adobe Photoshop. At the top of your screen, click on the Filter drop-down menu, then choose Liquify. One of the new features of Photoshop, Faceaware Liquify, lets you quickly and easily change the expression on someone's face, adding a smile or a frown, or bringing out more complex emotions. First of all, select Face Tool from the left side of your screen, or click shortcut A. Photoshop will automatically detect the face of image. Now you can easily make changes to your photo. Also, you can use Faceaware Liquify option from the property panel on the right side of your screen. I hope you will find this video useful. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel.